Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create ranking questions using Google Forms. This is an incredibly useful feature when you need to gather feedback and understand priorities, whether you're conducting customer surveys, collecting employee opinions, or organizing any kind of preference-based research. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. Once you're on the page, you'll need to log in with your Google credentials. Make sure you're using the account where you want this form to be stored and managed. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Google Forms homepage where you can see any forms you've created previously. Now let's create a new form from scratch. Look for the option that says blank form and click on it. This will open up a fresh, empty form template ready for you to customize. You'll see a default question already set up, but we're going to change it to fit our ranking needs. Next, you'll notice a drop-down menu right beside where it says Untitled Question. Click on that drop-down menu to reveal all the different question types available in Google Forms. From this list, select either multiple choice grid or checkbox grid. Both options work perfectly for creating ranking questions, but for most ranking scenarios, multiple choice grid is ideal since it forces respondents to select only one option per row, ensuring clean, distinct rankings. Once you've selected your grid type, navigate to the Untitled Question field at the top. Click on it and type in your ranking question. For example, you might type something like, please rank the following aspects of our service in order of importance. This question sets the context for what you're asking respondents to evaluate and rank. Now let's set up the rows, which represent the items you want people to rank. Navigate to the Rows section and click on Row 1. Here, type in your first item, for instance, customer support. This is the first aspect respondents will rank. To add more items, click Add Row and type your second item, such as service quality. Continue this process by clicking Add Row again and typing speed of service. Then click Add Row once more and enter price. You can add as many rows as needed depending on how many aspects or items you want ranked, but typically 4 to 6 items work best to avoid overwhelming your respondents. Next, we need to set up the columns, which represent the ranking scale. Navigate to the Columns section and click on Column 1. Type in your first ranking number, for example, 1. This represents the highest priority or most important option. Click Add Column and type 2 inches for the second ranking position. Click Add Column again and type 3, and then one more time to add 4. These numbers will allow respondents to rank each row item according to their preference, with 1 being the most important and 4 being the least important in this example. Make sure the number of columns matches the number of rows so respondents can assign a unique rank to each item. Before finalizing and sharing your form, it's always a good idea to test it yourself. To do this, click the Preview button located in the upper right toolbar. This will open your form in a new tab, allowing you to see exactly how respondents will experience it. Go ahead and try filling it out to ensure everything works smoothly and that the ranking structure makes sense. This quick check can help you catch any errors or confusing elements before sending it out. And there you have it. You've successfully created a ranking question in Google Forms that will help you gather valuable prioritized feedback. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.